minds. Still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swing in a war machine. Something holy in between. Hear it knocking in my chest. This is more than just unrest. We are steel and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. We are the sound that conquers all. Neon bleeding on cracked ground. Still I worship that ancient sound. Every strike of hand on skin feels like revolution within. Guitar cries like falling rain. Bassline carries all the pain. From the dirt to skyline high, we are born to never die. Feel the rhythm take control. It's rewriting every soul. We are steel and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. Hey! ashes we ignite. Ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. From underground, ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gangsta broken on crack concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Listen. The ground is breathing. From the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name, like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. No more losing, no more sin. Feel meat. Yeah, skank groove in the metal frame, different sound but the blood is same. Djembe talks in the primal tone, says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never dies. Hey, we rise up through the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. Let the chaos pull you in. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Streetlights flicker, spirits dance, lost inside a violent trance. Bassline crawling through the pain, like survival in the rain. Every drum hit shakes the wall, echoes of our primal call. From the roots beneath the ground, we become the sacred sound. Hear it echo in your chest. Nothing here will ever rest. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up, break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hear the bones speak. Hey! Hear the bones speak. Dust on my tongue, sky turn black. Walking where the spirits track. Every step a broken chant from a word I don't understand. Djembe calling through the mist. Like a fist I can't resist. Ancient rhythm in my chest won't let me ever rest. Something's moving underground in every silent, heavy sound. I can feel it pulling me into what I'm meant to be. Tongues of the rhythm shout, turn this inner chaos out. No more doubt, no way out. Let the twice break out, break it down. Let the world shake hard. Break it down like a burning star. ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Skank step broken on cracked concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't need
fall, still we claim